So simply right-click on an image, copy the image, right-click on ActiveWords, go to Substitute Content, and paste, and name. So now in any app, anytime, anywhere, I type the word cake, I'm going to get that picture. And I've done that for my dog. And also, I've done that for rich text signatures. So here you can see my email address. And this is an ActiveWord with underscore in blue, hypercard, hypertext, and the about me. And I need to clean this up, but it works great.